So here we have some more factoring. Once again, we're going to use difference of two squares, difference of perfect squares. So for this, we've got a squared term here, we've got a minus, and we've got a number there. So that's what we're going to do. So here is our a term, x plus 1 is our a term, that's all squared. 25 is our b term, so what we'll do is we'll take the square root of 25. So this becomes x plus 1 all squared minus square root of 25 is 5. And we'll square that. So this becomes x plus 1. Whoops. I'll rewrite this clearer. So this becomes x plus 1 plus 5. That's our a term, that's our b term. And we're going to multiply that by x plus 1 minus 5. Once again, a term, b term, a plus b, a minus b. So from there, we simplify. This becomes x plus 6, and this is x minus 4. So if we were to expand this, we'd end up with a trinomial, but if we were to do something called complete the square on this, we'd end up with this. Okay, on to the next one, onto this thing here. So a squared minus b squared, a squared minus b squared. So I'm going to do this in different colour, green. So when I've got lots of brackets, I like to differentiate using square brackets. So I'm going to have, so this is x plus 2 plus our b term, x plus 1. And I'm going to put, that's our a term plus that's our b term. I'm going to put a square bracket around it. And put a square bracket around it. I'm going to run out of space and probably enough to write underneath, but that's okay. And then from there, that's my b term. Sorry, I've already told you it's my b term. So then I'm going to do another square bracket. So I'm going to do my a term, x plus 2. Close out my a term, minus x plus 1. That's my b term. And there goes my dog. So now that that's been dealt with, we've got x plus 2, x plus 1, so we'll just simplify. So we'll have 2x plus 3, and I'll just use one set around the brackets. And over here, x minus x is 0x. 2 minus 1 will end up being 1, so we'll just have a 1 there, and then finally that becomes 2x plus 3. Probably not the best example. If this had been a plus, it might have been better because then we'd be adding, we'd still be, oh hang on, that should have been a minus. Oh, there's a mistake. Let's fix that up. So that's not a 1, so we've still got a 2x plus 3. But this here should be a minus because it's a minus there. So this is x plus 2 minus x minus 1. So x minus x is still 0x. So we're not going to have any x terms. So we've got 2 minus negative 1, so it becomes 3. So then it becomes 3, and we'll have our 2x plus 3, so we'll put that at the front. 3, 2x plus 3. And we'll leave it at that. But that's the way we go about factoring using difference of two squares or difference of perfect squares. Now, once again, if like here, if I was to expand this, I would not get this. I'd have to do something called completing the square to get to that. But that's how we factor using difference of two squares.